Well, we're going to have a chance tomorrow to lay out our observations and reactions. I have said publicly, and I think that the news media have shown this, that there was a good turnout, a healthy turnout, strong, very patient, very calm. We saw a voting process that was implemented as it was supposed to have been, and we're waiting now to see how the voting process actually gets tallied. So we only had one phase, now we're in the other phase, and tomorrow we'll have a chance to make some comments.
And finally, Mr. Kerry, this country in particular, it's quite important in terms of ensuring stability in this region. We know what's happening in Burundi, we know what's happening in South Sudan. Do you think the international community will assist Kenya to ensure that really after the election there is stability and continuity in terms of what needs to be done to stabilize the entire region?
Well, I have no doubt that the international community is going to remain committed to Kenya and to the Kenyan people and to the democracy of Kenya. It is also going to be critical that the leaders of Kenya step up and lead in the next days to give people confidence that this process is being worked through carefully and thoughtfully and respectfully. The one thing that I think we would like to emphasize, all of us who have been observers so far, and I say so far, is that the IEBC has put in place a system that provides redundancy, that the ability of the ballots to be secured and to be able to be counted appears to be very, very strong. And so you have these forms that are coming in reflecting everybody in the polling stations' view of what happened, that they saw it, they counted, they signed off. So there is an ability here, which is critical, to be able to provide an appropriate, transparent, accountable counting of the ballots. And people need to be patient. People need to let this process work through and not jump to conclusions at this point in time. I think Kenyans have the opportunity here to show Africa and the international community an election that followed the rules, followed the process, and honors everybody's vote.